Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The Jamaica Chamber of Commerce, JCC, and the VM Group signed a memorandum of understanding to provide pension plans and other support to JCC members. At the signing Tuesday morning, President of JCC, Philip Ramson, says this kind of support is critical as there is a deficit in local retirement planning.
Currently, over 80% of our workforce are not covered by any form of pension plan. This gap highlights the urgent need for innovative solutions that ensure every Jamaican can enjoy a secure and comfortable retirement. The introduction of this partnership is not just a formal agreement, it is a commitment to addressing this critical issue. VM Pensions brings a wealth of expertise in pension management, and we are excited to work together to offer tailored pension schemes that meet the diverse needs of our business and employees.
Local chambers of commerce are also set to benefit. Meanwhile, Assistant Manager in charge of sales at VM Pensions, Paul Anderson, says this partnership is a strategic one, providing a wide range of offerings.
Corporate benefits are available for the JCC members and the JCC itself. Retail benefits are available to the staff of the JCC and the staff of the JCC member entities. VM Pensions Management will provide financial safety net through a robust pension solutions, along with discounts and investment management fees and other services for superannuation plan. One of our pride and joy is our Prime Approved Retirement Scheme, Prime ARS. Serves entrepreneurs, persons on contract or employed to organizations with no pension solution.
JCC members will also benefit from other preferential benefits through other members of the VM Group. The bundled benefits also include pre-approved credit cards, special foreign currency rates, and loans. To some company news now, investors in the general pool for the Williams initial public offer IPO are guaranteed the first 5 million shares for which they applied. The pharmaceutical products distributor published the basis of allotment of shares to successful applicants on Tuesday. 400 million shares were up for grabs in the IPO at a price of $1 each. The IPO closed on July 31. In a release to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the company says all applicants from the non-reserved share pool will get the first 5 million units they applied for, and they will get 56.01% of the shares they requested after that guaranteed allotment. 210 million units were offered in that pool. Williams says the group's company applicants, that's employees, and key strategic partners will get all the shares they requested. The company says the capital raised will be used to lower debt and cover the installation of solar power technology at the company's Spanish Town facility. Let's head to the markets now. Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $157.78. The Canadian is going for $115.27. $202.99 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is trading for an average $174.72. The JSC index declined by 1,411 points, while the junior market index fell by 11 points. Among the 32 winners were First Rock Real Estate Investments, US dollar shares, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, MFS Capital Partners, and Jamaica Stock Exchange. The 54 losers included Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024, T-Tech, Cygnus Credit Investments Class E 8.5% preference shares due 2026, Express Catering, and Blue Power Group. 17 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. Please stay with us. Regional and international stories, they're up next.